What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar, and I am so excited right now because I hit up the Snkrs app and I got them OGs, Jordan 1s, the University Blues. I'm about to open them up right now. I just couldn't believe that I actually won. It was crazy. And then I saw this blog that said nobody won on the Snkrs app. So I was like, I'm gonna have to show you guys. And I actually, I usually do my unboxings with the actual shoebox. But in this case, since, I wanted to show you guys that this is legit. This is from Snkrs. Even though it looks kind of suspect under here, I promise you guys, this is from Snkrs. I'll even show you guys the app. So let's see if it could focus in. Gotta hide my face. So if you guys look all the way at the top there, don't look at those LeBron bricks that I canceled, but look all the way at the top, and you have it right there, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG University Blue. Doesn't say University Blue on there, but it is. I did want to let you guys know that this is a sick invention. Whoever made this, it's a box opener, and it's so safe, and it has that little thing right here, the little knife. I've watched unboxings that these people have machetes and all kinds of crazy stuff, and you're gonna damage your shoes. Even if you use some scissors, you're gonna just straight up damage your shoes. With these ones, you don't even have to worry about that. Look at that. Boom. Oh, okay, you guys. So it is a Jordan 1 box. Let me show you guys. I want to show you guys. This is legit, you guys. This is legit. I ain't playing with you guys. I did hit up the Snkrs app. Okay. Looks a little dirty. Box is a little dirty, but that is okay. You guys, there you have it right there. Size 12 if it wants to focus. Anytime today. Maybe not. Okay, I don't think it wanted to focus. Okay, but it is a size 12. All right. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Oh, nice, you guys. This is so sick, you guys. And you already know, 100% authentic from the Snkrs app. And you guys, this is sick. You guys could check it out. Hopefully this focuses in because didn't look like it wanted to focus in the size. All right, you guys, you got the extra laces right there. It already comes with the black laces. I have heard about the, putting some white laces on here. I think it would look better with white laces, to be honest with you. But, even these blue laces would do the trick for me. Not so much the black laces, but, it does match with the swoosh right there. And you guys already know these are going for $500 on StockX and GOAT right now. These are compared to the mochas. And man, I can't believe I hit them up for retail. I took a big L on the Foot Locker site, on the the flex points. I took a big L, and I was so excited when I hit this. And it was funny because I hit two on the same day. So the other one I hit, which was pretty good. You guys, this is the All-Star. They're called the Carbons or the All-Stars. This is a Jordan 1 mid, and this is a clean pair. So I hit them up twice, cuz if you guys whatever bank you use, just make sure that you put that you want a notification anytime you spend over an X amount of dollars. So before you kind of get a heads up that you want something on the sneakers before you actually win, because it says charge. It says there's a charge on there. It'll say how much, and it'll say from Nike. So I got a charge. I got super excited, and it was for 135, which was the mids. And then a couple seconds went by, and then I got another charge, and it was 185, and I was so excited. I was I knew I hit. When I had that 185, I was just so happy, you guys. And so that's what it is, plus tax. It is retail is $170, but I live in San Diego, California. We got to pay state tax, and that's why it's $185. But it's still very, very profitable. I do not mind paying that state tax when it comes to this sneaker right here. You guys, just look at that. Look at this. How could you not love this? So, I know people are going to ask in the comment box. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to sell right away. So my plans are to hold. I might even hold this for a year. I think in a couple months it's going to slowly start to incline, and it's probably going to hit 1,000 I'd say within the year it should hit 1,000. That's just my predictions. You guys don't get mad at me if it doesn't pan out, you know, or if you think otherwise. This is just what I think, okay? So I got a vault. So I have like this basement, and I got this little, oh, not little, it's kind of big plastic container, and I have all of my holds in there, and then this is gonna go straight to that collection. So did you guys take an L? Did you guys take a W? Where did you take a W? You know, did you get it on the foot sides? Like, I wanna know where you guys actually took this from, and if I have anybody else that won off the Snkrs app, because I'm telling you, there was like a bunch of people kind of like hating, saying that the Snkrs didn't release. But I could tell you guys right now, they definitely released. I got so lucky to hit this, and I was so excited. So if you guys like this video, hit that like, comment down below any questions. Don't forget to tell me where you guys got this from, or if you got an L or a W, and consider subscribing.